Hello everyone, today I'm happy to share with you a new unboxing from SINBONO. This is a sponsored video. Today is another collaboration with the brand SINBONO. I would like to thank SINBONO for sending me their bag to give my honest review on their product. And I'm very happy and excited to share it with you. I already did a video of their Vienna top handle bag in pink last year. In case you haven't seen it yet, I will link it above. SINBONO always comes with a very luxurious box, and this box is a very luxurious one with a marble design. Let's now open. They now came with a thank you card, and here's some tips on how to store and how to clean to maintain the bag. So it comes in a dust bag, and now let's open. So this, wow, it's so beautiful. It's so nice. It feels really nice. Really, if you touch it, it feels very smooth. The faux lambskin really is very smooth. This bag measures 25 by 13.5 by 9 cm. It really is very nice. I really loved it. And I'm very happy that I chose the black this time. I was always also thinking of getting the pink again, but then I decided to try the black this time. I really like the design. I really love the design because it's simple. This simple quilting and the shape that you can easily put your things, easily organize your things inside, and I think you can fit many of your small essentials in this bag. You can see on the front they have their logo there, SINBONO. It is a very nice gold color, and it has a very nice stitching. Nothing is coming undone. So on this side you can see a very nice gold hardware. They have their logo right there. On this side, this back portion, they have a pocket. I always want a pocket at the outside of the bag so that I can easily get my phone, easy grab on the pockets, outside pockets. So this is a very nice feature of the bag. On the top area, you can also see some of these eyelets with their logo. Very luxurious hardware. And they also have their tag this time. Nice. So one of the best features that really attracted me to get this Alyssa bag, is this closure. You can see that is a very strong magnetic closure, and it is hidden. That really is a very nice and very classy idea for me. This magnets, I saw this in one of the bags in Coach. A brilliant idea. I really like those magnet closure. It automatically closes itself. That's a very nice feature of this bag. So this also came with a very beautiful chain, luxurious. It has some weight to it, not very heavy, but you can feel that it's not cheap. This also feels luxurious. Let's first remove this for the handles. So there. This is another cool feature. You can see that they have added like a padded leather so that your shoulders would not hurt when you are wearing it. Very nice idea as well. So you can carry it by the shoulders, or if you want to make it longer, just have to pull it. Now it will become a long strap, crossbody, And this is another cute feature that when you pull it on a longer setting, it becomes like a top handle. Very cute idea as well. And on this one, they have their logo on their D-ring, SBN. Very nice and classy touch. So this SINBONO bag is really very beautiful. On the inside, you can see it has 3 card slots and they have their logo there, written there. Doesn't have any other pockets besides this slots. So here are the things that I can fit inside my SINBONO Alyssa bag. So this back portion, I will put my phone. So inside, I have here a pen, a hair tie, my perfume, lip gloss from Gloss Boss. This is called the Diamond. Have this Lucas Papaw ointment, some tissues. I carry my keys. I have here ankluts with some charcoal sheets for oily skin. Also have here my chapstick, the menthol stick for headaches and for my migraine attacks. I currently carry my Coach zip pouch. It's inside. I have here I carry my IDs in this holographic card holder. This is a bag hook. Of course, these are the small things I always use. I have my pin for my SIM, my medallion. This is Saint Raphael, and some medicines. So that's it inside my Coach wristlet. And on this side, it came with 3 card slots, so I placed my most used cards inside these card slots. So those are the things that I have inside my SINBONO Alyssa bag. SINBONO is a New York-based brand that creates beautiful, luxurious vegan bags. They're made from recycled plastic bottles and reclaimed fruit leather. They're committed in creating handbags that are cruelty-free, earth-friendly, focuses on sustainability, and exquisite craftsmanship. This Alyssa bag was made from faux lambskin, which gives it a very smooth and creamy, buttery feel to it. For me, it is inspired by the Chanel flap with a modern touch because of the straight quilting, with some Coach Taby vibes because of the puffy feel, giving it its own unique character. I really do love that it's simple, it's classy, it's functional, and versatile. I highly recommend. Thank you so much, SINBONO, for gifting me this bag. I now have a very luxurious bag in my collection. I really think that this really looks very luxurious to me, and I'll be very happy to enjoy it for a very long time. And in case you want to buy from SINBONO, to buy the same bag, Alyssa, or any other bag from them, or any other items from them, they have a variety of products. You may wish to go to their website and you may use my code BagLove to avail of a 26% off when you buy from their website sinbono.com. I really hope you all enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching. Always remember to thank God for the beautiful blessings. Till next time.